Yalta today looks more like a Japanese city after the tsunami. Yalta today. Lomonosov, ambulance substation, washed away the road to The Yalta authorities have decided to turn off the water supply, asking residents to stock up on water. People ask for help. The second day it pours incessantly. I never really remember that. Break for 5. In Yalta, due to hours of rain, the Vodopadnaya River overflowed the banks. Water flooded all crossings. Some houses were flooded. Heavy showers continue in Crimea. On June 17, due to the fall of a month-and-a-half rainfall, Kerch flooded. An emergency regime was introduced in
Підмову КПП.
On the night of June 18, as a result of heavy rainfall, Big Yalta was flooded. Pedestrian crossings were flooded in the city. The authorities have suspended public transport. Due to flooding of streets as a result of heavy rainfall, an emergency regime was declared. The entrance to the city was closed. Before that, on Thursday night, almost 2 monthly norms of precipitation fell in the eastern regions of Crimea. In Yalta, the crocodilarium was completely flooded. Some of the animals could not be evacuated. The weather in Yalta is improving, the rain has almost stopped. More than 135 millimeters of precipitation fell in the city. A similar situation was about 100 years. There was a flood in Kerch. An emergency regime was introduced on the peninsula. Heavy rains in Crimea in a few hours made the cozy resort town of Yalta look like the scenery for a disaster movie. Rivers of mud flowed through the streets, and the first floors of houses and street cafes were flooded.